My name is Adam Dalesandro. I'm a dentist. I work on teeth and get people out of pain and get beautiful smiles all day. My father-in-law began the practice in 1978. Before that, he acquired it from two brothers who were practicing dentists here, and I joined the practice in 2012. CS Design started with Dr. Derrickson and CC Derrickson, the founders of this practice basically, in about 2008, 2009. When I got on board in 2012, I was introduced to CS Design. I was really impressed when I went into their offices, sat down, I was able to paint my vision of what I would like the website to look like, redesign it from top to bottom, and a team of people surrounded me in a conference room with multiple screens, very high tech, very cool to be a part of that. What CS Design does for us and gives me a competitive advantage, I think, is to make sure my presence is always right there front and center. My job is to, perform and give patients a great experience, and that turns into great reviews. And then CS Design turns those reviews into me being front and center on Google or different spaces where people are going to find me. I would definitely recommend them. They are able to do for businesses what you kind of put your head on the pillow at night, hoping and wishing, like, how could I do this? They make that a reality. And they're kind of the Jedi Knights of the website world. I love our relationship together. It's organic, it's homegrown, it's Tucson, and I'm really proud of you guys.